The brand new big berth on the lot, just shy of 950 square feet. 3 bedroom, 1 bath. This is the Big Bertha Baby 2.0. Got a 6 foot by 42 foot front porch. And then on the first floor is 14 by 42. Second floor is 14 by 32. So just shy of 950 square feet of living space. As you can see, beautiful porch that extends the whole front of Big Bertha Baby. Okay, now we are inside this pretty thing. Beautiful, beautiful. One modification we did on the 2.0 is now we got a handcrafted tabletop here with a little bit more features on it. Okay, you got your handcrafted kitchen cabinets. We got the barn door on there. That's going to go to where your restroom is going to be in your laundry room, right? You still got your door underneath the steps. Still got your second floor, except this time we enclosed one of the bedrooms up there and we kept one side open. Okay, so we got 2 bedrooms upstairs. We enclosed one side so y'all can kind of see what that looks like closed up. Kept the other side open. Okay, so y'all can let us know if you want them both open, both closed, one open, one closed, lots of options. There's your back door. There's your living room area. Okay, just like the original, but remember it's 10 foot longer on the first floor because, ooh, what's this? That's right, we got a master downstairs. A lot of our customers are baby boomers. They don't want to risk falling down them stairs, or a lot of folks just want to have a downstairs bedroom, right? So now let's go into the bedroom, and voila, we got a downstairs bedroom off of the living room. There's the master bedroom downstairs, dining room, kitchen, bathroom area / laundry room, and let's go upstairs. Once again, before we make it all the way upstairs, let me show you the catwalk. So you got a catwalk here that connects the 2 bedrooms together. So you go across the catwalk from one bedroom to the other. We kept this bedroom open, okay? And we kept this bedroom, we closed it off. So y'all can see we can do both. We can close them both off, or we can leave them both open and close one and keep one open. So let's go in this one first. This one's huge. This side, this is above the living room area. Someone was asking me earlier today, can you get a California King on one side of the upstairs? And yes, you can. On this section here, you could get a California King bed right here. It's huge, okay? Clean as a whistle, baby. So we're in 1 bedroom. Remember, we can close that off if you want us to. And we got this one closed off. Let's go in it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. So this is bedroom number 3. 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. Clean as a whistle. And let's show you what the backside looks like. I got to go way back. She's a big girl. Got to go way back. Like I said, 14 by 42 on the bottom, 14 by 32 on the top. Now, wouldn't this look so pretty on your land? Clean as a whistle, baby. All right, how's everybody doing today? Today we're just doing a little video. We got the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 and 2.0, and we're going to do a little walkthrough video, walking through both of them. One of them's more rustic and one of them's more modern, but they got the exact same dimensions, which is a 14 by 40 livable with a 6 foot by 40 foot porch. One of them's built more rustic, like you can see here with the wood, 4 by 6 timber stack, and then the other one's got more of a 2 by 6 modern exterior stud framing with the black board and bat metal siding on it. So one of them's more modern and one of them's more rustic. This one again got a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. Let's take you inside this baby right here. So you walk inside and it's like an open concept. Got your kitchenette that's gonna go right there. You got your living room over there. Beautiful structure. You can smell that pine in here. It smells amazing. Wish I had smell-o-vision. Over here, you put your stove, put you a sink right here. You can see we're getting ready to install that sink, put you a refrigerator in that little nook, maybe some more cabinets up top. And again, a lot of people ask, can you paint these? Yes, you can. But a lot of people leave that natural knotty pine. Look at them floors. Absolutely beautiful. Now, both the El Chapo 1.0 and 2.0 I got on my lot right now. Both of them are, again, like I said, 560 square feet. And both of them are 2-bedroom, 1-bath setups, okay? So as you go down here, you got 2 windows here in the hallway. You got a spot here where your tub, toilet, and sink is gonna go, which makes a lot of sense, right? Because this is where all your plumbing is gonna come for your kitchen. And then as you go to the back, you got bedroom number 1. And then you see we got these barn doors on them. So you got the barn door set up. So you got that set up, and then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master here at the end. So again, 2-bed, 1-bath setup. This one can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. And remember, we can always adjust this floor plan to accommodate a king size bed as well by just moving the floor plan around a little bit. Because remember, when you order these cabins, we can make them to order just for you. Okay, so keep that in mind. So there you go. So again, set it up anywhere you want. We can make it a 1-bed, 1-bath. We can make it a 2-bed, 1-bath. But again, everything you need, nothing you don't. You got your double pane windows, vinyl, easy clean. And if you buy this cabin just the way you see it here, which of course doesn't come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, or the appliances, is $69,900. But let's say you want it fully turnkey with everything in it. This one's 110 grand, 110. And again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This is our rustic cabin. Okay, so let's go next door, and we're doing a little comparison video. I'm gonna take you next door and show you the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. Let's take y'all inside and show you the inside of this beautiful rustic cabin. Again, we call this one the Big Bertha 1.0. Okay, so I'll be quick here since I did a lot of yapping on the outside today. Usually I don't do that much yapping on the outside. So let me close the front door here. So you walk in, and again, remember, this is just a shell for $79,000. So you get it just the way you see it for $79,000. And then if you want it fully turnkey, we can do that for $110,000. And turnkey means electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilet, sinks, tankless water heater, mini splits. We're talking stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher, okay? Washer and dryer connections are ready to go. This thing is plug and play, okay, for $110,000. Or, like I said, if you're handy dandy, you like to work on stuff yourself, buy it just like this for $79,900. Plus whatever the shipping and installation costs to get it to you, and then you can finish it yourself, save you some buku bucks, okay? This is just a large stove we got here that one of our new partners, where we're gonna be selling these beautiful wood stoves. Obviously, this is a huge stove. I call this one the Big Daddy. This is way overkill for a cabin this small. We got a smaller one called the Buttercup that we're gonna be offering as a cabin stove package. But right now we got a promotion going on where you'll get a small stove, not this one, but the smaller one that's made for this cabin, a small stove and this cabin. You get the small stove for free if you order any of our Big Bertha cabins. You get a wood stove for free. So keep that in mind. You do have to mention this video if you're interested in that promotion. We'll get you a free wood burning stove for your cabin. I think that's a really neat little promotion we got going on right now. And here you got your live edge table. If you remember when I was outside, I pointed out this window where you can sit here. You got 4 little stools. This is included in the cabin already. It's built in. Have your coffee, have your food, breakfast nook, whatever. Look out your window. These beautiful handcrafted Amish built kitchen cabinets is already included. And as you can see, you got a spot already cut out here for your refrigerator, full-size fridge. You got a spot already cut out here for your farm sink. Again, I pointed out this window when I was on the porch. Look out your window while you're doing your dishes. Enjoy your land. And look at them handcrafted Amish Built Cabinets, y'all. Beautiful. Knotty pine, y'all. Knotty pine now. Speaking of knotty pine, oh, before I mention, I keep yapping. This is where your stove's gonna go, full-size stove with your microwave on top. And speaking of knotty pine, look at that knotty pine floor. Look at that knotty pine floor. Comment below, y'all. Tell me what you think about them pretty knotty pine floors. Tell me about that. Tell me that ain't pretty. Man, that is so clean. Pretty, 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 pretty. Let me give you another view again of from this angle looking that way too. Another thing I like to mention when I walk through these cabins, one of the things y'all always point out in the video is, hey, them ceilings look kind of low. They are not as low as they look. I am just irregularly tall, y'all. I'm almost 6'7". I'm 6'6". And so I make everything look short, but I'm just a tall fella. So keep that in mind when I'm walking through the cabin. These ceilings ain't nowhere near as low as they look. I'm just a giant monster. Like I said, I'm 6'6", almost 6'7". And that is why these ceilings look as low as they are. Okay, so upstairs, you got a catwalk connecting 2 bedrooms, right? So here's your catwalk. Here's bedroom number 1. And we got that walled off, and we kept this bedroom number 2 open just to show y'all we can do it either way you want. We can leave both the bedrooms open, close one off, leave one open, or leave them both closed, okay? Downstairs, below the stairs here is where you could put, mostly they'll put that 200 amp electrical panel down there so it's out of the way. This here, they'll put a pantry / stackable washer or dryer or side-by-side washer and dryer. And then over here is where they typically, people will put your full bathroom. So you got your stove. You got your, I hadn't had my coffee today. You got your commode, your shower, and your sink, and any cabinets you want to put over here. So toilet, sink, shower goes here, bathroom. I got to get my coffee right after this video. And then that's what you put over there. And again, so you got your livable space kind of down here. And then when it's time to go to bed, then we go upstairs. Now, before we go upstairs, check out this little nook. This little, like I said, the Amish, they think of everything. Nothing goes to waste. Open that up. We got some material there, but that's just like a little, I call it a doggy door. So you could put them little flappers there so your dog can go in and out of there and have a little home, or your cat. Or storage, right? So again, just a beautiful rustic cabin.